Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Benefast Portable Cordless Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, 7000 PA strong suction, 120 watt. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Short highlight features or overview summary are include. 7000 PA super strong suction. High-powered 14.8-volt DC motor and advanced cyclone technology enable 7000 PA suction power for high pickup performance. The vacuum cleaner quickly captures 99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, leaving nothing left. It quickly removes embedded pet hair, dust, spilled food, and scattered cat litter from any surface. Cordless and portable, cleaning any surface around your home, and even in your car, is easy and efficient. Charge it back to full in only 3 to 4 hours and enjoy peace of mind thanks to our smart tech that prevents accidents from overheating, overvoltage and short circuits. Allows for full portability, working time of 20 to 30 minutes with a steady output of 120 watt for powerful suction and deep cleaning. It can help you clean your entire home. With the ergonomic design of the handle, and the whole machine weighs just 1.9 pounds, which can help the users to hold the vacuum more easier and tighter. An handhold cord-free design brings you an unfettered and unimaginable comfortable experience when cleaning and carrying. Press the container open button, then take washable filter out and rinsed with water. It is easy to clean by hygienically removing the entire dirt container at the push of a button and pouring out trash. With the efficient design, the handheld cordless vacuum cleaner lowers the noise to 65 decibel and maintains a strong suction power during operation that is quieter than most handheld vacuum cleaners and prevent babies or pets from being disturbed. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.